Hey guys, today we talk about how can you enable notifications on your Yelp app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on settings. When just click on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on push notifications. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Click on notification categories here. So then you come to this list and here you enable it for from friends activity here. So then here from Yelp and here, so then here from reaction to your posts. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.